Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing how I make my plant-based screwdriver agar jello shots. Pour 2 cups of sweetened orange juice to the pot. Add 2.6 teaspoon agar powder to the chilled orange juice. Turn the stove on high, stir the mix. Bring to boil while stirring constantly. Let it cool because heat burns off the alcohol content. Add 2 ounces of vodka of your choice after it cools. Mix it well. Fill the shot syringes. 1 cup fills 6 1.5 ounce syringes. Or you could pour into shots cups. 1 cup fills 6 2 ounce shots cups. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. All the ingredients are listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.